Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and another video. So in today's video, as you've probably seen from the title, it's reviewing the Fenty Pro Kiss'r lip balm and lip scrub. So in honour of today, I am of course wearing the good old Rihanna on my t-shirt, and I've even got my tattoo of her signature showing. Anna, I love her, alright? I am actual navy. Okay, so if you're looking at me right now, you might be wondering if something's missing or not, and you would be correct. So yeah, I haven't actually bronzed my face. All I've done is put my base on. So for that I used the Fenty Beauty foundation and concealer and the powder. Foundation is in 290 and so is the concealer, and the powder is in the shade Butter. I will be doing a full face Fenty. It is coming very soon. I had a bit of trouble, but we'll get into it in the video. Jumping straight into this video. So online, if you haven't seen the brand new products, the full summer collection is basically like vivid bright popsicle like lipsticks. They've literally got like eyeliners, they've literally got so much stuff. It's like absolutely amazing, such gorgeous colours. But today we're just going to focus on the lip scrub and the lip balm. I just wanted to do like a cute little review of those, but we're also going to be reviewing the bronzer as well. My fingernails are dirty, it's fake tan, I'm so sorry. But yeah, I managed to pick up a bronzer. This is the Sunstalker bronzer in the shade Island Ting. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like for the bronzer. It's really nice and like gold. It's the Fenty Beauty packaging that we all know and love. So this is what the component looks like. My fingerprints are all over it, I'm so sorry. It's like a bronzy gold packaging, and then on the back it has the shade name. So I usually use MAC mineralized skin finish in the shade dark golden, and this is what the MAC one looks like. It's quite like cool toned, but like still adds like a really nice bit of warmth as well. So the Fenty Beauty one was recommended to suit the 200 category, and I looked at it and compared it to my MAC one, and I'm quite scared. So this is the Fenty Beauty one, and then this is them two together. As you can see, the Fenty Beauty one is a little bit deeper than the MAC one and a little bit more golden and warm. So I'm just gonna like give them a little bit of a swatch and do like a side by side. So this one is the Fenty and this one is the MAC. So yeah, the Fenty Beauty one is super warm. I'm actually really scared. When I bronze, I basically, as you can tell, it's like when I powder, it kind of takes all of the colour away a little bit, like the darkness, bronziness, like tan. So what I use bronzer for is, rather than chiseling, I use it to warm up my face a little bit more, and the MAC Dark Golden does it so well. It's not too much, it's not too little, it's just so nice. But we're going to give the Fenty Beauty one a try, and then if this isn't my shade, then I'll just get another one. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and try it. So the brush that I usually use is this one. It's just like an angled one, and it really like just goes on my cheek really well. And then I was going to try this one just to like buff it out, so I'm going to try this one first and we'll see what happens. So I don't swirl my brush. What I do is I just dab like so. So I'm just going to dab it like that, and then we're going to see what happens. And here we go. I like to use circular motions and just really like blow it out kind of. Oh wow. That is actually really nice on camera, and in real life it's super nice. So I'm just going to go in with a teeny bit more and see how it builds up a little bit. I like to bring my bronzer a little bit higher up. As I say, I'm putting the warmth back into my skin, so just bringing it higher up, it's not going to sag my face down. Okay, so that is what the bronzer looks like. It's actually not too like dark or golden. On camera I do look like super pale for some reason, but like when I go like that, you can just see like it just looks really nice. I'm really impressed with that actually. I like to bring it up onto my temples as well, just so like it all blends in seamlessly. And then what I like to do is taking the like pointier side, I like to dip in a little bit and just bronze my nose. So I'm just going to warm up my face just so it all looks cohesive, and also it kind of contours the nose as well a little bit. And then I'm going to I'm going to warm up my underneath and get rid of my double chin. Okay guys, so that's what the bronzer is looking like. But so far in real life, I'm actually loving it. Looking in the mirror, it's really nice. It's just giving me like a really nice bronzer go. Like the colour is so nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this brush actually, and I'm just gonna, what I like to do anyway, not that it needs it, but I really like to just go in and like buff everything out. Alright guys, I am super impressed with this bronzer. It's really nice. It looks like skin. It hasn't taken away my shine of my skin. I know I look really matte in the camera, but like it hasn't taken away anything. Doesn't look cakey or anything, just looks really nice. Yeah, I'm super impressed with this. The shade isn't too dark whatsoever. It's actually so nice. I'm really impressed. So now I'm bronzed to the gods. We're going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Kiss'r lip products. So first up is the lip scrub. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's the same as the lipsticks and the usual Fenty Beauty packaging. And then when you lift it up, it looks exactly like the lipsticks. And then it's also got the Fenty Beauty stamp in there. And as you can see, it's got like little beady seed kind of things in there. So that's what is going to exfoliate your lips. So it does have a scent to it. It kind of smells like lip balmy, banana-y, like banana, vanilla. It's kind of like, it's all three of those mixed in, so like lip balm, banana and vanilla. It smells really nice, not too overpowering. So usually when I exfoliate my lips, I use the Jeffree Star Velour lip scrub, and basically this is so hydrating and nourishing, and I'll show you what it looks like inside. So that's what the Jeffree Star one looks like. As you can see, it's like really sugary, really like granularly, if that's the word. It really does get in there and exfoliate your lips, but also moisturises them. So I do like to use this once, maybe twice a week, just to really exfoliate. And this one we're gonna test out today and see what it's like. So yeah, let's dive straight in. I'm just gonna apply this to my lips. Alright guys, I've just zoomed you in a little bit so you can see. My lips are quite chapped, like I've got a rough spot here. I don't know if you can see, but like quite a bit of dead skin. So here it is. So as you can see, once you start using it, it releases all like little beads. Okay, so now I can really, like, it's not hard, it's hard. It's not like hard, but you can definitely feel the beads exfoliating your lips. So you can definitely smell it, and the way that it feels is really like waxy, but nice wax. So it's like wax with hydration kind of things, like really lip balmy. And you can also feel the little granules. So what I suggest you do with this is apply it like that, and then just really rub your lips together, just so you're not using much product. So we're just going to see how much product you get in this. So in this you actually get 3 grams of product in this, so we'll just roll it up. Okay, so that's how much product you get in this, and this retails for £15. So yeah, what I suggest is just put it on your lips and just really like rub them together and start like massaging them. So you can't actually lick this off like you can the Jeffree Star one. It does say on the packaging to wipe it off, so I'm just going to get like a little flannel and wipe it off. Okay, so I've just got a cotton pad and I'm just going to start wiping this off. Okay, so just like first impressions after taking that off. My lips feel really nourished and like really moisturised. And most of the dead skin has come off. Yes, so most of the dead skin has come off, which is the bonus. Like I had like a few dry spots here, a few and like a bit of a crust there. Like if I go like this, like it feels really, really smooth. I didn't actually think it was going to exfoliate them that good, but it actually did. So what I'd probably do with this is I'd probably use maybe this once a week, and then because this really does get in there, and then maybe use this like in between, like maybe every day or once every other day, just to like maintain them, if that makes sense. But so far I really like this. And the good thing about this is it's super convenient to like put in your bag, put in your purse or whatever, just because you can do like literally get out and do that. Whereas this, you do have to open it, fingers and all that jazz, but I really like this. So moving swiftly on to the lip balm, the one that I'm super excited about. This is the Pro Kiss'r Luscious Lip Balm. Now, if you know me and you've been on this channel before, you know that when I review like Fenty or whenever before I put lipstick on, I love to put the gloss bomb on because it's so hydrating. It's like super packed with shea butter, just everything. It's amazing for hydrating your lips before lipstick. So Fenty Beauty came out with a lip balm because everyone was literally obsessed with the formula. It was a little bit too thick for me to wear every day, obviously, but yeah, they've come out with a lip balm. So this is the packaging for the lip balm. As you can see, it's in like a squeezy tube, and also it's got the lid. So the lid is actually a wand, but also it matches the Fenty Beauty packaging. So when you open this, you do actually get a wand, and then that is what the wand looks like. It's really good and nice. Now this one does have a little bit of a fragrance, but it's such a light fragrance. It's kind of like a really light vanilla. It smells so good. In this you get 12 millilitres of product. Now this is packed with butters as well, so it's going to be really hydrating on your lips, and this also retails for £15. So I'm just going to apply this to the lips and see what happens. Even though nothing's going to happen magically because it's a lip balm and it needs to stay on the lips more. One thing I will say about that scrub is now my lips do feel really dry and it really needs this lip balm. So here we go. Oh wow, oh wow, oh my god guys, wow. First of all, this applicator is so nice on the lips. It's a little bit curved, so it literally hugs your lips. That's the first thing. Second thing is the fragrance is gorgeous. But the one thing I absolutely am obsessed and loving is when you go like that. If you've ever worn gloss, if you've ever worn lip balm, if you've ever worn anything that make like when you go like that, you've never felt anything like this. This says Luscious Lip Balm, and it's not fucking lying. It feels so, I'm not even exaggerating. It feels so fucking nice. I've been doing so well with not swearing on this channel, but it needs a swear word. It feels so goddamn nice. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. This is sick. So orgasm over with. As you can tell, it's left with like a really nice sheen on my lips. It's kind of more like a gloss, but without the thickness and this tackiness. So I'd probably apply a little bit less for my everyday preference, because obviously, because I'm a boy, I don't want to like go out with like glossy lips like this. But this is like, it's so nice, such a nice formula. It just really feels super gorgeous on the lips, and it really does feel luxe on the lips. So yeah, I'm obsessed. Just a little update on the lip balm, guys, but it's been 3 hours since I stopped recording the video and it's still on my lips. I've been drinking out of a glass, literally still feels amazing. It's died down a little bit, but it's still on my lips. It still feels nice, hydrating. It still feels nice. So even if you're drinking, eating, it's still gonna be there. So yeah, it's top notch. So just zoomed you out so you can see the bronzer and the lip together. As you can tell, like I love all of the products. The products are so nice. My favourite, as you can bloody tell, is the Fenty Beauty Pro Kiss'r lip balm. It's just wow. This one was the one that I was most excited about. Like, the fragrance is gorgeous. The fragrance in like all of the lip balm and stuff is super nice. The lip scrub is gorgeous. Like, I'm obsessed. It's so good. If you're thinking about picking this up or not, I suggest you do, because it's so good. I didn't mention the name of this. It's actually Hint Hint. I'm guessing maybe they might be coming out with some different, like, maybe like ones with like colour added into them maybe in the future, so we'll never know. But this feels so good. I can't believe how nice this feels on my lips. So guys, that brings this review to the end. You can tell that I absolutely loved it. My lips feel so nourished. I haven't got crust in sight. And yeah, the bronzer is super gorgeous, super lush. I absolutely love it. So I hope this has kind of got you excited for my full face Fenty that will be coming soon. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in that one. If you do like this video or me, please give it a thumbs up, maybe share across social media. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.